These are answers to the number 3 mean, median, and mode skills quiz. So the first question says, find the mean of this set of numbers. Now, how do we find the mean? We add everything up, and then we divide by the number of values that we added up. So we have 10 and 11, 8 and 8, and 13. That gives us a total of 50. And we are going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and divide by 5. Because there are 5 items, which gives us an answer of 10. So 10 is a mean, it's the average of all of the numbers. Now, if we look at these numbers again, does 10 look like it's that fair share point for numbers? Yeah, there's a couple numbers more than 10, a couple numbers less than 10. 10 seems to be that even fair share point. The next one says find the mode. Hey, look, the mode is the one that you see the most. What do I see more than any number? I see 8. Awesome. Find the median. The median is the middle. The only way you can find the median is if we put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Ooh, I need 11. Erase. 11 and 13. Cross out 2, cross out 2, leaving us that 1 middle. So 10 is median, and it is also the mean. That is cool. So 10 is probably a pretty good number to describe this data set. Ooh, we got a lot more numbers here to find mean. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll be dividing by 10. Luckily, I can use a calculator. We have 45 plus 73 plus 86 plus 24 plus 7 plus 99 plus 58 plus 86 plus 68 plus 74 equals 670. So now I'll take that 670, divide it by 10 because there were 10 numbers, and I get 67. My average. Looking at these numbers, 67 looks like it's pretty much the center of those. I'm okay with that. Yep. All right, find the median. Ooh, I've had numbers I got to put in order from least to greatest. So it looks like 24 might be my smallest. Then 45, 57, yep, then a 58, 68, 73, then 74, 86, and 99. Now, before I do anything, I make sure I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now the median is going to be the middle one. So what do? I cross on the end, cross off a couple more, slowly get to the middle where I end up having 2 in the middle. How do I find the median if there's 2 that ends up being in the middle? Well, I find the middle of that middle. And what is exactly in the middle of 68 and 73? I don't know exactly, but I know my calculator can help me find it by finding the mean, the middle point for those 2. To find mean, I add those 2 numbers together. And then because I added 2 numbers together, I will now divide by those 2 numbers, and I get 70.5. Does 75 seem like it in the middle of those numbers? Yeah, it does. So there's my median. And the mode is the one that I see the most. Looking at these numbers, it looks like there's only one here. It looks like I appear 1 time, except for 86 appears 2 times. So it is 86 as my answer. And all of the answers for the number 3, mean, median, mode